Hello everyone, good to be with you. This is meteorologist Erica Rascaet at the One News Weather Center with your local weather report brought to you by Bud Clary Toyota dealer. Toyota, let's go places. Well, taking a look at the headlines, a late summer high pressure system has finally regained control of the weather pattern once more, leaving us with dry conditions and well above normal temperatures until at least the weekend. Now that could pose some fire danger throughout the next few days, but there are some big changes coming to the forecast, at least for the end of the weekend. Conditions throughout the past 24 hours across Ephrata, we did see the very warm temperatures, and some areas across the Columbia Basin did reach record heat. Temperatures overnight were in the 70s. We should have been in the 50s, definitely well above average for this time of the year, but high were very warm, and dry conditions will continue to be the case until at least the end of the work week. So as we're still expecting temperatures were well above average, we should have been in the upper 70s. Record heat temperatures across most of the Columbia Basin. Overnight lows were definitely about 10 degrees above average of where we should have been for this time of the year. Temperatures right now still in the 90s, very warm out there. Be sure to drink plenty of water if you are outside today, drinking consistently throughout the afternoon, and that's going to continue throughout the day on Friday. Another warm one is in store for us. Abundant sunshine, dew point temperature is pretty far from the actual temperature. That basically just shows us dry atmosphere is in store, high pressure in control, and winds from the northeast will continue to leave us that dry air across most of the area. So basically this is what we've seen. Almost nothing. Plenty of sunshine, high pressure in control, leaving us dry conditions and record heat, especially across the Columbia Basin. But throughout the next few days, that high pressure system will still remain in place, but will slowly begin to weaken and move away from the area as the next system will slowly approach. So basically what we're expecting is the showers will continue across the Rockies just to the southeast of us. For us here across Washington, that goes for most of the inland northwest as well. Dry conditions will continue. We'll begin to see a few more clouds on Saturday as that next system slowly approaches, and that cold front that continues to move through, and that will leave us a chance of a few showers already Sunday into Monday, and then that's when we're going to begin to see the cool down in temperatures for the next work week. In the meantime, though, throughout the day on Friday, nothing but sunshine yet again. Temperatures again will be very warm in the 70s and 80s across the mountains and coastal areas. But taking a closer look across the Columbia Basin, temperatures will also be again in the 90s. Lots of sunshine. So if you do have plans to be outdoors on Friday afternoon, please be sure to wear sunscreen, and not only that, drink plenty of water because you could easily be dehydrated under these conditions. So taking a look at the extended outlook throughout the next few days, warm conditions for now, but then cooler conditions expected for next week as that cold front leaves a shower Sunday into Monday. And then let's take a look at the highs back into the 70s and overnight lows in the lower 50s for Tuesday into Wednesday. But apart from that, dry conditions for now. That's all for now at the moment. This weather report was brought to you by Bud Clary Toyota dealer. Toyota, let's go places. We'll be right back with some sports.